there's that dual model. How has that been such a central part of this, and why is that important when you're doing this kind of work?
A thing to say is that both Tom and Mary and myself, the training we've had is essentially about the idea that talking helps, and talking about anything you need to talk about helps and is important, anything. So it's very helpful to have two minds to be able to think about whatever is being spoken about.
I think the other reason that we found it, I mean, it was part of the model, the Spiegel model that we adopted and adapted. It was part of the model in the randomised controlled trial. Many group therapy models have two therapists for those kind of reasons. I think the other practical reason that we found it's very valuable is that our aim is to provide the group, it's a weekly group. We feel it needs to be weekly because it helps people to develop relationships. These are important relationships. You've all talked about that earlier, how important it is. It provides also practically continuity. If one of us is sick, the group does not fall over, the other one runs it. I think we run something like 46 week groups a year between us, all together, and that's only possible really when you've got two people who can share the load.
We often talk about the group afterwards and just think about it together. And then at a later point in the group maybe or afterwards, you think about the next thing that could have been said, so that there's a lot of bouncing off one another, but being able to think with someone else, you're not so much having to do the dance all by yourself, you've got a partner to dance with.